Cut yarn of bright color into identical pieces. Put them into a row and attach double-sided tape across the edge. Fasten the fringe to the inside of the cap. My friend puts her cap on. Is it a new hairdo? Her hair's become fuller and reddish, but she likes it. Change the blue hair into red because you can do anything you want in the summer. It's such a wonderful day. Only Skittles can make it better. I offer the package to my friend. She takes candies out, but there is something wrong with them. Cut a Skittles package along the seam. Remove the candies and fill the package with peas. Close the cut with double-sided tape. It's a special issue of Skittles called Seasonal Vegetables, and peas are great for your health and figure, so enjoy vitamins in the summer and eat candies in the winter. The blue-eyed girl's phone has died, but she needs to make a call urgently. That's great that I've got a phone that never dies. Cover an old phone handset with acrylic paints. Cut off the edge of a phone cord and attach a plug of broken earphones. I offer my phone device to my friend. This is a smart handset of the next generation. I plug it into my phone. Why does the blue-eyed girl hear nothing, I wonder? She shouts into the handset loudly so that everyone in the cafe can hear it. At last, she looks at my face. The call is over. I'm telling the latest news about my life to my friend, but she isn't listening. She's dreaming about her summer holidays and doesn't even touch her cocktail. And that's great. I will attract her attention with my little prank. Close one end of a cocktail straw with hot glue. Prepare a few straws. While my friend is far away on a Greek resort in her mind, I take out her straws and put in mine. And put small ladybugs on the table. Knead red sugar paste with starch. Shape semispheres. Use black food coloring to turn them into ladybugs. Paint heads, wings, and signature dots on the backs. The ladybugs are so cute! Go right onto the cake. I bring Blondie back to consciousness. She wants to drink her cocktail, but something is stuck in the straws. No result. It looks like someone glued the end. The service is terrible in this cafe. Waiter, my straws are broken. And what is that? Waiter, there are bugs on my cake. A whole family of ladybugs. Well, this is way too much. I will deal with this waiter right now. How dare he spoil my dessert? I want to see the manager. But the blue-eyed girl hurries up to calm her down. The waiter has nothing to do with it. It's just my prank, and the ladybugs are edible. I've got a special present for my friend. She loves new makeup products, and this is why I have prepared new perfume for her. We will need a bottle of perfume. Photoshop a funny label with a perfume name. For example, Bacon No. 5, and attach the label to the bottle. Blondie is happy about the present. I wonder what's inside. She opens it up quickly. Perfume! But what kind of perfume? Bacon No. 5. I'm afraid to ask what kind of scent that is. Fried bacon flavored with salami and ham extract? Nope, I'm not using that. But my friend is fearless. She spritzes the meat perfume on herself. It's surprising, but the scent is nice. Well, thank you for the gift. Are you dreaming about a snack? Then Blondie will arrange strawberries at once. Help yourself. But the strawberries taste salty. Is it a new kind of strawberry? Core a strawberry with a drinking straw. Cut off the stem and put it back into the berry. Fill the strawberry with salt through the hole at the bottom. Close the hole. This strawberry is no good at all. There's as much salt in it as in pickles, and Blondie pretends that she has nothing to do with it. Blondie is terrified of insects. I will show her that they are actually not that scary, like this cute rubber spider, for example. Hot glue a rubber spider to a blank clip. I put the spider on my ear. I think I look great with it. But my friend doesn't think so. She starts screaming into my ear when she sees the spider. Ah! Calm down. It's just a clip. My spider won't hurt you. There is nothing to be scared of. Did you like our summer pranks? Then write in your comments what way you will prank your friends in the summer. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new summer pranks on the Troom Troom channel.